So we're at the grounds of Alexandria, which is apparently one of the top 10 most Instagrammable places in Sydney. And while we were here, Bo and I, it got us thinking. So I just came from another meeting with another potential client in Alexandria. And it really just got us thinking about the importance of the environment that you're filming in. And you would have seen our earlier videos when I basically started filming. It was kind of on the fly, doing some selfish stuff, taking the dog for a walk, and we were getting good engagement rate. But then I started to get a little bit too content heavy. And then for convenience, we were in the office, right? A lot of my recent videos have been in the office. And we noticed that we were having to pay Facebook more and we weren't getting the same kind of results in terms of engagement. So we thought we'd mix it up, and we've got a video that's in production at the moment we're really pumped on, because the last video we did, we went out to Tuggerah, we got some beers, and we found that the results were 5 times better, 5 times than the previous video of me in the office. So I think being here, it really reinforces the idea that you need to find a new environment, keep mixing it up. And we managed to get some free donuts out of it as well. So you never know what you're going to find. Better content, more engagement. Try to get out of the office, break up the cycle that you might be in if you are creating content. If you're not creating video content, I hope this sort of stuff's inspiring you too. But yeah, we're definitely enjoying trying new places.